I'll get the camera. Wait.
No, it's right here. It is action. You see, it's recording. I'm sure. Hello, everybody. It's me, Christy, and you're watching my channel. Today, I'm opening a gift. I'm sick today, but I'm feeling fine. And today, I'm going to open a gift from Kuya Zillo. It's a gift, and I'm going to open it now. Thank you, Kuya Zillo, for my gift.
Can you show it?
It's a bag for coloring. There's no radio. But it is big. It's for coloring.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Now let's open the inside. It's quite easy. I think not.
Open the bag.
This
With the zipper.
is a bag for coloring. And here are the colors. This color pink is my favorite color. Here's green, here's yellow, here's pink, here's blue, here's violet.
What's the inside?
I hope what's wow. One plastic. Or the plastic.
That's a trash.
Yeah. Wow. It says it's green also. So nobody's to color. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Open the colors. You carry it like this. Or like this. Like this. Or like this. Whatever you like. Bye-bye. Now I'm gonna color my bag. Color. And here are the colors. It's supposed to be everywhere.
Sure it won't pass the black.
But it's still little. You do it like that.
Look. Look at this one. See?
I color it everywhere.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.